who taught you that word?
Haley. Shit.
Haley, that's not a nice word.
Shit.
Haley, who taught you that word?
When someone has a boo-boo, you'll say sick.
Who taught you that word?
Amy.
I felt that. We don't want to use that word anymore, okay?
Yeah. Shit. I want to hear me say shit. On there.
Haley.
I want to see.
No, you know what? Because we're not saying that word anymore. That's a bad word. That's not a very nice word.
When someone gets a boo-boo. Shit! And then you lift something up and say, shit!
No more. Okay.
Shit, baby, do. Mom, can I see?
No, we're going to turn the camera off. Say bye.
Bye.